So since the announcement of Dwight Yorke being in pole position to become the Reggae Boyz head coach, there has been mayhem in the social space where the Reggae Boyz supporters are concerned. I'm speaking about Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp group, WhatsApp channels, Twitter, famously called X now, Pinterest, where else? Wherever you can think about it. Even at the pubs or bar, the regular bar or the regular meeting spaces or the schools or wherever, anywhere there's a gathering where Reggae Boyz supporters are at, it is causing problems. But there is something very, very important that I want you guys to look at and think about. Extremely important. But before getting to that, I'd really appreciate. Oh, first of all, I say thank you very much again for tuning in. Massive, massive appreciation. Really, really enjoy the fact that you guys take whatever time, 10, 9 minutes out of your busy day to be here and join us for some level of discussion. Thank you all for the support. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever time span you're watching this on. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Hit the like button. If you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button. And let's continue. Share the video. Don't keep it to yourself. All right. Now, Dwight Yorke, as reports came out earlier, that he is in prime position to be appointed as the Reggae Boyz new head coach. Now, for many, it's a flattering appointment, or should I say a flattering report. Some are upset. Some are not technically unfazed. I've heard people said it's the same as a Argentine coach coaching the Brazil team in the Copa America, and it just doesn't sit well with some people. Some people don't have a problem. They said, you know what? Let's first check his background. If he's a good coach, if he can get the job done, why not? Now we know we have a long-standing issue, not technically a major issue, but we have a long relationship with Trinidad. Some said it's rivalry. In recent time, I believe it's more of a friendly thing because we have played quite a lot of friendlies with them at the youth and even senior level. So I don't see that hatred type of rivalry. Now, the fear for many is that they just fear the fact that a Trinidadian will be leading the Reggae Boyz' hope or Jamaica's hope of making it to the next or possible the easiest World Cup qualification that we have ever been in. And that scares many, many people. Why? Superstitions that, we might deliberately not try to qualify us because he's more interested in seeing his countries go through. But for me, morally, I don't think that he would do such thing. But these are the concerns. These are the concerns of the supporters. And I have to say, nothing at all is wrong with having these concerns. This is how they feel. Now, the thing is, Messi, say tomorrow, JFF appoint Messi. But because it's Messi, we don't know if he can really, really coach. But maybe it's a fact that it's someone that a lot of persons like. He's okay to get the job. But the mere fact is that maybe a lot of persons don't like the country that he's coming from. People might say, you know what? Not just country, but the culture that... should I say culture? Just the aspect of the country that he's coming from and the nature of the rivalry. Persons are afraid of that. But what if he's a good coach? That's the question. What if he's a coach that really has what it takes to carry Jamaica to the next level or take them to the World Cup? You have to also look at that. Now, for me personally, this is what I have to say about the situation. I'm not concerned about his nationality. I am not really concerned if he's going to get the job or not. Because technically, we're not sure. These are just reports. Now, my concern is we might see more of these types of reports. Why? Remember no people that Dwight Yorke is a coach / manager and is working with agencies who would want to get him jobs. Now, his agent will be looking out for his best interests. So let's assume, not assume, let's have a look at it this way. What if, just what if, this is an agent move just to push his client in the forefront of a battle or a lucrative job by speaking about getting supporters on his side? And if you see in the article, I'm wondering which supporters. I haven't necessarily heard about any supporters talking about Dwight Yorke. Is just this one come out of nowhere. Also, in the same report, it stated that the English players, the players that are playing in England, in the English Premier League or in the Championship, that the Reggae Boyz that are playing in the Championship are fond of this appointment, are fond of him getting the role. And that, for me personally, that was quite strange, because can we clearly verify that all of these players are okay with him getting a job? Or when did he or the mirror speak with these players that they're okay with him getting a job? So these things are very, very questionable. So this could most definitely been a PR stunt from the agent's camp, pushing his client at the forefront of getting a lucrative job such as this. It's very lucrative. Now, this is another point. This is the next side of it now. Wonder if this is also the JFF way of finding out what the supporters think of appointing him. So let's consider that maybe he's one of the top 5 candidates that is being considered. But JFF want to know how the Jamaican people feel about his appointment. Same issues of coming from Trinidad. This is all them type of something, but they want to get a feel. So they say, you know what? Let's leak this information to see the reaction of the supporters, and we can technically make a decision based off that. But that would be a bit, probably people would say it'd be a bit petty, or unprofessional, or smart actually, or smart actually, but it'd also be a little bit risky. But at the end of the day, I think personally there's some level of PR behind this particular news outbreak. It's very, very interesting, people. Extremely interesting. Tell us what you think in the comment section about it. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Dwight Yorke, from me, his CV is not really bad. He has an okay CV. One of the most standout players in the Caribbean, actually, possibly one of the best players from the Caribbean, actually. But it's quite an interesting one, I have to say. Interesting, very, very interesting detail build up. But tell us what you think in the comment section, people. Smash that button, hit the subscribe button. MG Sports TV, people. Like, share, and subscribe. Link in the comment section, people. Buy us a coffee if you choose so. No problem if you don't. Just make sure you hit the like button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom. You know what I mean? Dwight Yorke. Interesting.